Good morning, dear children. Welcome to the math session. Today I am going to solve exercise number 2.4, the question number 6. The question number 6 is there is a narrow rectangular plot reserved for a school in a Maholi village. The length and breadth of the plot are in the ratio 11:4. At the rate 100 per meter, it will cost the village panchayat 75,000 to fence the plot. What are the dimensions of the plot? So in this question he has given the total amount and the cost of fencing of 100 rupees per meter. So what to do? Let the length and breadth of the plot, let the length and breadth of the plot, what to take 11x and 4x respectively. Okay, remaining the perimeter of the plot means total cost divided by cost of 1 meter. So panchayat, what is that? Panchayat released the amount, how much? 75,000 to fence the rectangular plot. Correct? Fencing is nothing but what? So that is a barbed wire. Next, divided by 100. Next, what to do? 0 0 get cancel, 0 0 cancel. Remaining is how much? 750 meter. Means what is 750? 750 is the perimeter of rectangular plot. Cleared? Next, perimeter of the plot is equal to 2 times L plus B. Correct? So 750 as it is, 2 also as it is. What is the length? 11x, breadth is 4x. 750 is here, 2 is here. 11x plus 4x is how much? 15x. 750 as it is, 15 2s are 30. Multiply these two values, what will get? 30 will get. Next, 750 divided by 30 is equal to x. 0 0 cancel, 3 1s are 325. What is your x value? 25. So length is how much? 11x. So 11 into 25 is how much? 275. Breadth 4x. 4 into 25 is how much? 100 meter. The length of the plot is how much? 275 meter. The breadth of the plot is 100 meter. Clear, children? Shall go for the next question? Okay. The next question is, yes, okay. Just wait. Okay, you can see it. Done. Hassan buys two kinds of cloth material for school uniform. Shirt material that cost him rupees 50 per meter and treasure material that cost him rupees 190 rupees per meter. For every 2 meters of the treasure material, he buys 3 meters of the shirt material. He sells the material at 12% and 10% respectively. His total sale is 36,000. How much treasure material did he buy? How much treasure material did he buy? So what to do? He buys shirt and treasure, right? That's why let the ratio of the shirt and treasure material be 3x is to 2x. Means the 3 is to 2 ratio is there. That's why what to take? 3x is to 2x. Cost of shirt material. Cost of shirt material is how much? 50 into 3x. We don't know the ratio. That's why 50 3s are how much it will become? 150x. Correct? But selling price at 12% gain. He got profit there. How much? 12%. That's why 100 plus profit divided by 100 into cost price. This is the formula to find out the profit. 100 plus profit divided by 100 into cost price. This is profit percentage. 100 plus 12% profit he got. That's why divided by 100 into 150x. Next, so 112 divided by 100 into 150 and 0 0 get cancel. The remaining value is how much? 168. Understanding? What is your answer? 168x. Next, let cost of treasure material. So what is the treasure material? 90 rupees is there. What is the ratio? 2x. So 92 is how much? 180x. Next, what is the profit? The selling price of 12% profit. In shirt material, 10% profit. In treasure material, how much? 12% profit. That's why 100 plus profit into cost price. 100 plus 10 divided by 100 into 180x. So how much we'll get? 198x. Next. Okay, I solved here. According to the question, so 168 from shirt, 198 from the trouser. Total how much? 36,600. So add these, we'll get 366x is equal to 36,600. X is equal to 36,600 divided by 366. 361s are 100s are. What is your x value? 100. Now, what is the treasure material? 2x is there, 200 meters. Correct? Hence, Hassan bought 200 meter for the treasure material. He asked only about the treasure material. How much he bought? 200 meters. Cleared? Clear, children? Okay, if you want to find out the shirt material is equal to, what is the ratio of the shirt material? So 3x is there, correct? So 3 into 100 is equal to 200 meters. Understanding? Okay, shall I go for the question number 8? Yes. Question number 8. You can see it. This is question number 8. Half of a herd of a deer are grazing in the field. Half of a herd of a deer are grazing in the field, and 3/4 of the remaining are playing nearby. The rest are drinking water from the pond. Find the number of deer in the herd. Correct? So some deers are there. Means some animals are there. So half of the animals are grazing the field. The remaining are playing. Some are rest and some are drinking in the water. Cleared? Some are grazing in the field. What is the 3/4 of the remaining 3/4? Remaining are playing nearby. The rest are drinking water from the pond. Okay. So we don't know the total length of deers. That's why what to do? Let the total number of deer in the herd. How much? X. How many are there? X are there. So total number of deers is equal to half plus 3/4 in the bracket x minus x/2. Why? We have to subtract half from the total number. Remaining how much? Plus 9. Correct? Correct? Okay. Next, how to find out this? Okay. So according to the question, total number of deers we have taken as x. Next, x is equal to half of the deers are there, 3/4 and remaining half plus 9. 9 are what? Drinking water. Correct? So plus 9 is there. X as it is, x/2 also as it is. Next, x/2 as it, 3/4 is there. So 2 into x, 2x, 2x minus x/2. This is the LCM method. Plus 9, x/2, 3/4. 2x minus x means what? X divided by 2 plus 9 as it is. So x/2, 3 into x how much? 3x/8. 4 2s are 8 plus 9. So take the LCM of 2 and 8. What is the LCM? 8. 2 4s are 8. 8 1s are 8. 4 into x, 4x. 3 1s are 3x divided by 8 plus 9 as it is. Next, so here x is equal to 4x plus 3x/8. 9 is there. What is the denominator? 1. So later on, x is equal to 7x/8, 9/1. What is the LCM? 8 is there. 8 1s are 8. 1 8s are 8. 1 8s are 8. Next, so this total denominator, it will come here. So this step, it will come 7x plus 9 8s are 72 whole divided by 8. This 8 will come this side. It will become 8x. Remaining what? 7x and 72. 8x will come this side. 7x will come this side. It will become minus 7x. 8 minus 7 is how much? X. 72 as it is. Total how many are there? 72 deers are there. Cleared? Okay, shall I go for the next question? Right, question number 9. Okay children, this is question number 9. Right. Question number 9 is, a grandfather is 10 times older than his granddaughter. A grandfather is 10 times older than his granddaughter. He is also 54 years older than her. Find their present age. Two people are there, grandfather and granddaughter. So let the present age of granddaughter, what we have to take? X years. What about the grandfather age? 10 years, 10 times more. So that's what 10x. According to the question, grandfather age is 54 years more than granddaughter age. Simplify this. 10x minus x is equal to how much? 54. 10x minus x means how much? 9x is equal to 54. X is equal to 54 divided by 9. 9 ones are 9 ones are 9, 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 54, correct? Sorry, 9 6s are 54. So x is equal to how much? 6. Therefore, granddaughter is how much? 6 years. Grandfather, how much is there? 10 into 6. How much years? 60 years. Granddaughter is how much? 6 years old. And granddaughter is how much? Grandfather is how much? 60 years old. Cleared? Okay, I will go to the next question. Question number 10. Okay, the question number 10 is, Aman's age is 3 times his son's age. Aman's age is 3 times his son's age. He was 5 times his son's age. Find their present age. So here two people are there, Aman and his son. So what to do? Let Aman's son's age. Aman's son's age will take x. Aman's age, he is 3x more than his son is, so 3x years. According to the question, 3x minus 10. Understanding? Why 10x? Why this is 10? Aman's age 3 times his son's age. He was 5 times his son's age. Find their present age. Okay. 10 years later, so 3x minus 10 is equal to 5 times x minus 10. Correct? Next, 3x minus 10 is equal to 5 into x how much? 5x. 5 tens are 50. Later on, 3x, so bring this side, it will become minus 5x minus 50 plus 10. So minus will come this side, it will become plus. So plus 5, it will become minus 5. So how much this is? Minus 2x is equal to minus 40. Minus and minus get cancelled. X is equal to 40 divided by 2. So x is equal to 2 ones are 2 20s are how much? 20 years. Okay. Therefore, Aman's is how much? Aman's is equal to x is there. X means how much? 20 years. Aman's father 3x is there. So 3 into 20. How much years? 60 years. Aman's age is 20 and Aman's father age is 60 years. Clear, children? Okay. If you have any doubt, just give me a call. I will clear your doubt. Thank you, dear children. Have a nice day.